The iPhone 17 Pro Max is already turning heads, and we're still months away from the official launch. In today's video, we're diving deep into what's shaping up to be one of the most anticipated Apple announcements in years. From crazy thin designs to brand new colors, upgraded cameras, powerful processors, and even vapor chamber cooling, this is everything you need to know about the iPhone 17 and the brand new iPhone 17 Air. Let's start with the buzz around the design. The iPhone 17 Air is making waves for being just 5.5 millimeters thick, making it not only the slimmest iPhone ever, but potentially the sleekest smartphone on the market. Apple is clearly drawing inspiration from its MacBook Air and iPad Air lines here, pushing the envelope in portability without sacrificing core features. And while rumors of a fully transparent iPhone may have sparked some wild theories, let's bring things back to earth. The translucent photos leaked online are most likely just new case designs, not the phones themselves. However, the color leaks do seem legit. The regular iPhone 17 is expected to come in 5 stunning shades: black, blue, green, purple, and silver. Interestingly, both green and purple were originally thought to be test colors, but Apple seems to have decided why not both. The iPhone 17 Air, however, will come with a more limited but refined color palette: black, light blue, light gold, and silver. It's a more elegant look, fitting for a device that's going for a minimalist design. Now let's talk about performance. The iPhone 17 base model will reportedly be powered by Apple's upcoming A19 chip, while the Pro and Pro Max models will house the A19 Pro chip, both manufactured by TSMC using its 3 nanometers process. Alongside these chips, RAM is also getting a bump. The base model will feature 8 gigabytes of RAM. Finally, the Air, Pro, and Pro Max will all boast 12 gigabytes of RAM. This extra memory will be crucial for Apple Intelligence, the company's upcoming AI platform, enabling better multitasking, faster app switching, and overall smoother performance. The display sizes are also evolving. The iPhone 17 and Pro will both have 6.3-inch screens. The Air will sport a 6.7-inch display. The Pro Max will go big with 6.9 inches, perfect for movie lovers and multitaskers. As for cameras, things are getting serious. The iPhone 17 will reportedly feature a 4.8 MP wide lens, a 12 MP ultra-wide, and a 2.4 MP front-facing camera. The iPhone 17 Air, due to its ultra-slim form, will stick with a single 4.8 MP rear camera borrowed from the iPhone 16 alongside a 2.4 MP selfie cam. On the higher end, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might come loaded with 3.48 MP sensors covering wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto ranges. But there's a catch. The Pro Max may scale back zoom from 5x to 3.5x optical. That said, the consistency in high resolution across all lenses is a big win for photographers and content creators. Battery upgrades are also on the horizon. The Pro Max is rumored to pack a 5,000 mAh battery finally. That's the largest ever on an iPhone. The regular model may feature a 3,600 mAh cell, with the Pro getting 3,700 mAh. The Air, being ultra-thin, will have a smaller 2,800 mAh battery, so you might want to keep a charger nearby. But perhaps the most exciting upgrade for power users is the rumored vapor chamber cooling system, exclusive to the Pro models. Unlike the graphite cooling used in the iPhone 16 Pro series, this advanced system could significantly improve thermal management, especially during gaming, video recording, or any intensive task. And when will we see all this officially? According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 lineup during the week of September 8th, likely on Tuesday the 9th or Wednesday the 10th. Apple traditionally avoids launching products on September 11th, so you can expect invites and leaks to start ramping up around late August. In summary, the iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be one of Apple's boldest moves in years. With a new Air model, more powerful internals, better cameras, and next-gen cooling. There's something exciting here, whether you upgrade yearly or still proudly rock your iPhone 6 Plus. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.